A friend has asked, what is maturity? Maturity comes at various levels. Maturity at gross level is the physical maturity. A full grown up individual is mature at body level and can enter into any activity at the physical level. Then there is the mind. Mind develops. Normally people are at the child level of mental growth, even though they are grown-ups. Mental growth takes place when the thought patterns transcend the grosser needs of the individual. The grosser, basic, primitive needs: food, sleep, and sex. Mostly people stagnate at this level and struggle all their life to ensure comfort for these three basic needs. There are few who transcend these basic needs to go to subtler levels. Then they reflect finer abilities and greater level of understanding. A person is considered spiritually mature when he understands the wisdom of accepting life in totality. A person who can see life clearly and accepts that life is like this only. Whatever is there, it is there. He does not enter into the analysis of what should be. Rather, he focuses on what is. You see and accept. Acceptance does not mean that you don't do anything. But first, it is seeing in totality and being aware of the situation, and then your response comes from within, which is in line with the total existence, and you just become the medium through which everything happens, but you are not the doer. Actions then are just happenings from your total being, where you become witness to the happenings and enter into the realm of non-doer. Such actions happen in the right direction and are creative in nature. These actions are neither good nor bad, they are neither right nor wrong, but they are the best in the given circumstances. You do what you can, you cannot do otherwise, and to understand this is maturity.